welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. And if you're new subscribers, welcome and thank you so much. I do all sorts of unboxings, lifestyle, makeup, jewelry, clothing, just some fun stuff that I get in the mail. So today I'm actually going to double dip. I have the Walmart beauty box. This is $5 a month and it really has some nice products in there. And I will also be throwing in my Singleswag. This is the last box because, as I said, they give you some great lifestyle items, but I like to venture on and try something new. So I will be unboxing these two. So let's start out with the Walmart box. I hope you guys are having a great day and that the weather is getting better out there. So the first thing that is in this box is a black charcoal bubble sheet mask. And everybody knows I love my masks. The next thing is Olay Daily Facials 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. So that's really cute. And Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day Night Mask. So really nice little samples. Another one, Garnier Damage Repairing Treat. This is a 1-minute hair mask. And those are my favorites. Then we have Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. And I've heard great things about this product, so this is really nice. And, is there a coupon? No, just about the different products because it's a brand new, the hair masks. And Neutrogena Collagen Kiss Infused Lip Masks. Okay, I really do enjoy these lip masks. I don't know if any of you tried a lip mask, let me know, but they're just awesome. And be the first to try Neutrogena only at Walmart. And look at this adorable makeup bag. And it has the Walmart logo on there. I don't remember if they've ever sent a makeup bag, but that is really cute. And the $5 monthly that you pay is really just the shipping. All the products are free. They just charge you the $5 for the shipping. So I'm gonna put all my little goodies in here. And I hope you've been watching my videos because I am doing a giveaway. And I am going to be adding items to the giveaway. It expires at the end of March, so April 1st will be the drawing. I will leave the link so that you can check it out. Okay, now we go on to Singleswag. It's my second or third box, I think. I think it could be my third box, but I don't know. I tried this because it looked like it had fun products in there. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. And then again, maybe not. My last 2 pairs of scissors I broke on opening these boxes. So now I have to go and get some more good scissors before my boyfriend finds out that there are no more scissors left in the house. Okay, I got it open. Sorry about that. It comes nicely packaged. It's got the card with everything that's in here. And the first thing I see is Prato Belli Cantuccini. Okay, totally butchering that. Traditional chocolate cookies, product of Italy. Since I'm on my diet, I have to give these up. But they look really good, and I'm sure I'll find out when the other half eats them all. The next thing is skinny dipped almonds, dark chocolate cocoa. Okay, this is definitely not a diet box, and that looks kind of good. The next thing is Roots Skincare In Your Face Spa Elixir Mist. Have you guys noticed how many mists we are getting in our beauty boxes? I'm not complaining because they're all great. So let's check this out. I'm not gonna open it or spray this. It's going in the giveaway. As I said, I have a lot. I haven't been able to use them all, so it'll be in a giveaway. The next thing is by Niobe. What is up? I can't pronounce any of these products. A natural and organic origin recovery mask for sensitive skin. Anti-aging rice and tiger nuts organic oils. Barley malt extract. So that looks good. This I will have to try. Must be for Valentine's Day. It looks just like a zippered change purse that you can attach to your purse. And of course, being that I'm without scissors, I struggle. Oh wait, I'm getting it. So it must just hang. This would be adorable if I had a granddaughter. Wait, I'm not sure what it is. I'll find out, but it's cute. The next thing is give them La La Beauty. So this is, it doesn't say, it's hard to read the letters because it's black on black. Might be a blush or highlighter or something. It's a really nice case. And it's a highlighter, promiscuous highlighter. And of course I'm dropping. Yeah, so that is actually very nice. And I think there might be a couple more things in here. Gemelli Singleswag. I think it's earrings. Oh, a necklace. It's a beautiful heart necklace. This isn't something that I would wear. I wear mostly silver when I do wear jewelry. So I guess it's gonna go in the giveaway. All right. Oop. And it looks like a book. New York Times bestseller Elizabeth Gilbert, author of Eat, Pray, Love, Big Magic, Creative Living Beyond Fear. Oh, well, that looks like a good book. Let me know if you've read any of her books. I'm definitely going to read this. So that is everything that was in my single swag. Again, I'm going to put some items in the giveaway. I'm gonna have to get like a huge box to put all these giveaway things in. So let's go over what was in here. I will also leave a link. I can't remember if this one comes with a coupon code or not, but I will leave a link if you decide you want to order it. They put some great products in here. The book is $16. The Roots In Your Face Multitasking Facial Mask is $22. The Heart Gold Necklace retails for $72. The Prado Biscottis, $5. The Recovery Mask is $29, and it's paraben and cruelty free. The Jules K. Darla Snake coin purse, that must be a coin purse, but I would have my coins all over the floor when opening this up. That's $35. The highlighter, which is really pretty, is $26. And then the bonus snack was in there. So the total retail value of this box is $205. I want to say it was $29.99 plus shipping, so I think it came out to about $35. But again, I'll leave the link and how much and that kind of information. So I hope you enjoyed these two videos. As I said, that Walmart box, and I know Target has a couple boxes, but I stopped getting them because, again, how much product can you use? But knowing about all these new products is really great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to check out my giveaway video. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.